everybody, this is Lee Bundy with LB Operations Specialties. Today we're doing a visual inspection and aerial look at two systems at Kabekona Village on Leech Lake. And what we're looking at right now are the influent septic tank to our right with a little green box. That is a fast unit, and that is aerating the wastewater and making a biomass, a viable biomass that is eating the organic material. The next two lids are the clarifier, which lets the solid settle to the bottom, and then it goes into the pump tank. And then the last tank you see or cover is a valve vault that lets it go to one of the four dispersal zones. And you can see 1 is at the bottom of the screen, 2, 3, and 4 above. The pumps will alternate which turn it is to pump the wastewater, and we also alternate the zone on this north system each time a new zone is used. What I'm looking for here is I want to see a wet spot on the zones, or I'm looking for a hole. If I see a depression in the soil that's not normal or wet, I know that over the winter we have snapped the pipe. Here's the south system. We just started this system up this year, so I'm doing the same thing. I'm looking for something that doesn't belong in there. Now, it doesn't have to be a wet spot or a hole, but if it is a hole in a mound, I want to see if I have a critter, a burrowing rodent that is invading our space, and we'll have to deal with them. But I am looking for a wet spot here. This south system, the only difference between it and the north is that this one, the zone is controlled manually. We have 3 houses on this system so far, so I'm just using one field, one dispersal zone at a time, 1 per month. The pumps in this system are 3-horse hydromatics or by Pentair. The blower that's oxygenating the wastewater and freshening it up is a Roots blower. Those are 5-horse. Kabekona Village is a higher end homeowners association on Leech Lake on Kabekona Bay. Each home has its own septic tank and its own pump tank that the homeowners required their pump system to pump it to us. And here you're seeing the lid right in front of us in the screen there by those trees is the influent septic tanks where the wastewater is allowed to settle one more time before it goes into our fast units for aeration. You can see also to the right of the street sign, there are 2 white pipes sticking up out of the ground. One is a wastewater for the wastewater system, and one is a water system. This homeowners association has its own well and treatment system here to provide its own drinking water and distribution. Now I'm flying down to just take a quick look at the water treatment plant. There's the water plant right there. I'm battling with a little bit of wind here. Now we're overviewing, we're coming back, we can see the north system again, and we're heading back. I want to thank you for watching. This has been another very interesting view of what wastewater is like in a homeowners association. These are called LSTS, Large Subsurface Treatment System. And now I put it in high gear and to come in for a landing. There's the south one right there. And that's a pretty view of another part of Leech Lake. Leech Lake is a very large lake in northern Minnesota. Thank you.